What's up guys, this is David Matos and today I'll be looking at a brand new SmallRig cage and sun hood for the Focus video monitor, so stick around. SmallHD, not to be confused with SmallRig, released their touchscreen Focus HD monitor last year and quickly became popular due to its size, feature set, and most importantly price, coming in at $499. The monitor comes with a cold shoe mount to connect to your camera but does not include a sun hood and only has a few other mounting points for additional accessories you may have. That's where this cage from SmallRig comes in. It currently retails for $72.99 and comes with a hex wrench, 2/4 inch screws, the sun hood, and the cage itself. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just slide the monitor into the cage and use the 2 screws to lock it in place using the monitor's 2 mounting threads. From there you can use the original mount and lock it into your camera's cold shoe. You can use any other mount as well, like this nice one from SmallRig. The cage itself is made of aluminum alloy, so it will provide plenty of impact protection on all sides while adding almost no weight to your rig. You'll also notice there are mounting points all over this thing, 18 in all, from 3/8 inch threads to 1/4 inch threads. The cage has cutouts where you need them and even a built-in nano rail. You'll be able to attach anything from microphones to external audio recorders. You'll also gain an additional cold shoe built right into the side to attach accessories as well. For me, the big addition is the sun hood, as anyone who has used the Focus HD outdoors can attest to the glare you'll get on that glossy screen. The hood is attached using 4 Velcro straps, which makes it really secure and shouldn't fall off even in run and gun situations. And for those of you that purchased the $25 SmallHD hood, while it is faster to attach and remove, the SmallRig hood is deeper, so it provides more shade at shallower angles. So to wrap things up, I think this is a great addition to my SmallHD Focus monitor. Right now you can get the cage and the monitor mount on Amazon.com. I'll put the links in the video description below. That's it for today guys. Once again, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you click on that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.